Want to lose weight and keep it?
I was raised in a sandbox next to you and her. You was holding a handgun. She was giving birth to a baby boy to be just like you. I wonder what's that's worth. I wonder if you ever knew you was a role model to me first. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. Yes, I run it. I run it. Yes, I run it. I run it. Kid looking through the chest wanna ride. Reminisce when I had the morning appetite. Applejack and nothing that I hit the TV guide. And a maniac, the only thing that give me peace of mind. I'm a maniac, Rahim, and not the enemy that lie. Tell a story that I never glory 25. Not to worry, heavy warrior will come and see euphoria. And that's a covenant I put on every tribe. Ain't nobody go tie your shoe. Nobody go abide by your rule. Nobody horn your and how come your tongue say faith and my move. Like speed living in the world, you know. Little whole me feeling like a line fire. Bet I put some new tires on a lightning bolt till I wreck into a pole like a right to vote. Backdooring you motherfuckers, all y'all can some. All them days at the county building, I'm about to make my mama rich. Cartoons and I ain't felt this. Scrooge McDuck, elementary hood. Giving birth to a baby born to be just like you. I wonder what's that's worth. I wonder if you ever knew you was a role model to me first. The next day I woke up in the morning, seen you on the news, looked in the mirror and realized that I had something to prove. You told me, don't be like me, just finish watching cartoons. Which is funny now, cause all I see is Wile E. Coyotes in the room. And I was
all of my wounds, in my tears, all of my tunes. Let my life loose in this booth, just for you, y'all amused. I did wrong, karma came, crackers gave me ball and chain. Friends, enemies, all the same. Snake, fed, both can hang. Nobody can mute me, but I never said nobody can't shoot me. Just another stat to the white folk. Still whip work to the white yoke, absolutely. Yeah, this me. No mic, no cameras, no lights, just pain. Mama, how much trauma can I sustain?